ये दोस्ती हम नहीं।
एक मिनट कौन सी दोस्ती बॉस?
कोई दोस्ती नहीं है।
जुवेंटस और नेपोली दोस्त?
नॉट पॉसिबल।
नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज वी आर अ लिटिल लेवल अक्रॉस यार। थोड़ी सोच समझ के बात करते हैं लोग। कैसा गाना गा रहे हो यार? चलो वैसे कैल्चो चर्चा है, तो थोड़ी चर्चा हो जाए। What's happening, guys? Yogesh, Juve coming to Naples, Naples coming to Juve. Finally, Conte comes back to Torino. What do you think is going to happen?
I think lots gonna happen. Napoli are gonna kill it. That's what I believe.
I like it spicy. Make it spicier.
They're going to kill what?
They're gonna kill all the rumors and all the negative energies that are around them. That after the last season, all Napoli can't do anything. They're gonna kill those.
Lukaku मारेगा कि नहीं गोल?
Lukaku definitely. Lukaku will kiss the batch when he scores that goal against Napoli.
Scores that goal against Napoli. Own goal मतलब.
No. Sorry.
हाँ तो बिंदास बोल सकते हैं.
अरे यार योगेश और टोरिनो आएगा. Everyone will be going Lukaku, not Lukaku. Anyway, but jokes apart, I think this is going to be a very interesting game. Conte coming back to Turin for the first time after a long time. It's going to be very interesting to see what kind of reception he gets. Juventus playing a new brand of football. Let's see what kind of effect Gilmour and McTominay have now that he's got his guys. Lukaku, jokes apart, is his main foil. It's going to be very interesting to see how Bremer and Gatti line up against that. Historically, yeah, you know, it's not really the derby of Italy because it's that Darja actually is with Juve and Inter and Juve and Milan. But Juve and Naples have a very special rivalry.
Yeah,
and that rivalry also has a big tinge of Italy to it. What are your thoughts on the rivalry historically?
Historic rivalry, it's very complicated rivalry because like Juventus have, if I want to say it or not want to say it, they have won a lot. They have actually won a lot. I have to admit that, like credit where that's due. But Napoli is there. On our day, we can beat anyone, and that includes Juventus. And against Juventus, the players are pumped up, the fans are pumped up, entire Naples is pumped up, and I, as a Napoli fan, I'm very pumped up for what's gonna come.
That's very true. Actually, you know, it's not. This is one game which is never really about the form. The form of the teams. No matter what form Juve is in or Naples is in, they always pull up their socks, and it ends up being a real spectacle. This time, do you think with Motta at Juventus, the kind of players that have come in, they're playing a new fancy brand of football, do you think they have that little edge, or do you think Conte's discipline will make all the difference in this particular fixture?
I think Conte's discipline was very much required for Napoli after the season that they had. And Juventus are trying something new. Like Juventus are not known for playing beautiful football or a European style of football or a football that's eye-catching. They are known for winning 1-0, 1-0, 1-0 each week and week out. I think Napoli are gonna be something new for this Juventus lineup, and I think Napoli are just gonna blow Juventus out of waters.
Wait. On that note, predictions, guys. I'll start with Yogesh. Predictions.
3-1 for Napoli.
Whoa. DJ.
3-1 for Napoli, only in the kitchen because they'll have 3 pizzas and Juve might have 1. This one's going to be tight, but I think Juventus have enough firepower, especially in the middle. So I'm going to have to go with a Juventus 2-love. Fairly comfortable 2-love. And Conte is then going to go back to Naples empty-handed.
Still title. Napoli.
Yeah, title is still there.
Napoli. Taking the title.
This is what Yogesh is going to be wearing at the end. Guys, look at it carefully. That's the only badge he's going to be kissing. Forza Juve, fino alla fine.
Forza Napoli sempre.